so they ran out, call them pants down. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it.
Let me stop before they hit me with the copyright gang. Y'all know the vibes of what's going on, man. Your boy got so much damn energy to oh. Look, about to go the wrong way, then I was gonna be dead and y'all was gonna see me pissed.
You almost killed me 10 times.
Girl.
10 times.
You should have drove in, girl.
10 times he done almost killed me.
You should have drove in, girl.
10 times. Nah, this your joint. You drive.
Nah, you should have drove,
nah,
girl.
You drive.
You should have drove
nah,
in.
You
feel
drive.
Me? Don't y'all hate when them passengers always got something to say about the driver, but then don't drive nowhere.
Nigga. Pay attention to the road. They got shit to do with nothing.
Y'all hear her talking
we
that.
late.
Right, yeah, we is damn near. I ain't gonna
I'm still on the clocks.
You? Oh man, she about to get fired, gang. Y'all heard her. She talking about she's still on the clock. About to get fired, gang.
Forget the gangs that put them clocks in.
Oh yeah, your ass definitely missed time clock shawty right there, goddammit. Y'all know how it is with the time, but man, literally, we trying to hurry up and make it to the young dealership before they close so I can go ahead and pick double. Ooh, these people driving crazy. Trying to go pick up double cubby. Yes, sir. Hey, you feel me? Oh man, I've been missing my baby, man. Just hoping that it was just all gonna turn out the right way and everything, you know what I'm saying? Woo! And it definitely did. I got that call today. It was, man, that had to be one of the most spectacular calls I got. Your demonstration ready, come pick it up. All you gotta do is show your ID. That greenery, keep it in that pocket, boy. I ain't had to, man, that's, oh my God, y'all. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. I was sitting here pressed about that, you know what I'm saying? Because them red eye blowers like about $8, you know what I'm saying? I was just sitting in my head like, damn, $8, god damn, I might as well just go ahead and put a Maggie or something on that at this point. Damn, I don't got no money for no Maggie though, so I ain't gonna even be able to drive it. So now I gotta know that I'm just be paying while it's sitting. Even though it's wintertime, it's probably gonna be doing the same thing, but it's a difference when your car up and running and you get them nice days like yesterday. I would have been outside bending. No cap. We would have been outside.
I was this close to making it back in the garage.
Right. Yeah, you was. That close. Over it now. You know what I'm talking about? Over it now. But man, I'm so excited, man. I gotta shout out Satara them for go ahead and water whipping the car to getting it ready so we can get it to the dealer. You know what I'm saying? And then I gotta shout out Zeno. You made it all happen for me, bro. Dead ass serious, man. You made it all happen for me, man. And shout out John too up at South Oak. Without all three of them, all this wouldn't have been able to happen. No cap, man. So big ups to all y'all. Y'all putting big smiles. Y'all putting that big Kool-Aid smile on my face. You feel me? Yeah. 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 And y'all head in 2 miles. Take exit right there, goddammit. You feel me? So we almost there. So I'm gonna cut this demonstration on when I go ahead and see my little pretty, sexy, purple, juicy, wet demonstration, man. Known as double cup. Yes, sir. See y'all in a minute. It's nah, them wasn't the cats. Where that purple demonstration at, gang? Where's she at? I know I'ma see her when I see her. I know I'ma see her when I see her.
Oh, look at the little pretty
what?
present.
Look at you looking at some damn. Ooh, they got a Rango Hellcat right there too.
Oh, where are you going?
In the service, shit. I don't know where I'm going. Damn, I thought I was gonna see my car, but me bop in here real quick, y'all, and see exactly where. I don't even know if I should pull right here then. I'm tweaking. Somebody gotta clean it. Oh, this my boy! My boy! Hey, I'm like, damn, somebody got a clean ass Durango Hellcat. Then I'm looking, I'm like, wait, the fuck, that's Frank! Through the mask, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, hold on, let me get you. Ooh, shit. Dude, this color look nasty on here. Damn. Yeah, I'm feeling this color, bro. Ooh, wee. Ooh. What's going on, man? Yeah, you did right getting this color, bro. You did right getting this one. She nasty. You just picking it up?
Yeah, just picking it up.
Oh, okay.
Drop it off 50% now.
Bet. All right, man. Be smooth. All right. Damn, Frank just acted bad and got that motherfucker look so good. All right, y'all. But y'all know what we here for, so let's get back on the mission. Park this thing.
Lord, don't pull over these damn things.
Pull over what? What you talking about, girl?
You told me a little word.
What you talking about? Oh,
you
shit.
see? That's what I was talking about right there.
All right, let's go find the car. Let's go find the car.
A few minutes later.
I see her and they playing that copyright. So I'm about, woo, I see her. I see her. I see her. You know I'm thirsty. Hell yeah. Ooh, shit. Ooh, stop playing with me. I forgot how sexy she looked. Oh, I need a wax on, wax off Mr. Miyagi immediately. Damn, yes, sir. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Oh, okay, yeah. Go ahead, girl. You driving? You driving it? You ain't driving it? Oh, man, I thought you was gonna drive. Damn, double cup gang. Back at her. Y'all just don't know how excited and thirsty I am. It's cold as hell outside. Ooh, she's tired. That's tired. Ooh, sweet. Look at her, gang. She back home. Yeah, I gotta get this thing super clean. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's just a dirt mark. Yeah, they took care of your boy, man. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. They took care of your boy. She dirty, gotta get her cleaned up. Overly mandatory. Oh, shit. It's freezing gang. Hold on, let me cut the heat on.
A few minutes later.
Third on pizza. I put it in for you. I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with. How you gonna cost it?
Let me cut it off, man, so I can just vibe with y'all one time. Boy, it feels good as hell to be back in this car. Boy, I pulled out the dealership, slanging this thing immediately. Go to Mel's World channel if y'all want to see that. You feel me? It was only mandatory. I didn't even try it. This thing just so damn talky. So damn talky. I keep forgetting how talky it is, man. Woo! Let me see. I might light them up for y'all one time while we rolling. Let's see. Hold on. Woo! 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 Getting fully from 60, gang. She back. She back. That's all I can tell y'all. She back. Yes, sir. This shit feel good as hell, man. Damn. I swear it doesn't feel like I just bust a new car or something, boy. Just being without my baby for about, what, I don't even think it was about like a week or 2 weeks. It wasn't even that long. I'm over here tripping, but y'all know how us car guys be, gang. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. When you ain't got your baby and your baby don't got no oil pressure, boy, you be moving around through here sick than a bill. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'd be blue. Man, when I get it back, the glow be there. I'm telling you, man. Cars is me is cars, y'all. I don't even know if I'm going the right way right now. Shit, I'm Mel's World probably about to be like, where the hell are we going? We riding. We riding, girl. You should have took the keys to the double cup. Cause we riding. I ain't. Oh shit, they fixed this? They fixed that damn bump? Boy, I thought it was about to get real critical. But man, look, as y'all heard that Kodak was black. What the? Damn semi. That took us off. Let me close my roof. That's how y'all know I'm in mode. I have the goddamn sunroof open. You feel me? About 30, 20 degrees outside. Scully on and everything with the roof open. You feel me? Stunt mode activated. You know what I'm talking about? Man, I gotta go get this thing cleaned up. I should see if the damn car wash open. I swear if the car wash open, I'm about to go get this thing glass packed up. I ain't gonna eat cap to y'all, man. That's why I'm about to slide by the car wash real quick. See if they stuff go ahead and get double cup back in this glow. And then head into the crib, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I gotta get back to this young Kodak gang. We
Yeah, working with I got you lit in the city. I've been multitasking, rapping and being the daddy to my little kids. I've been spending on bills.
The next day.
Gang, gang, gang. Oh my God, man. This been one hell of a morning. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all. For one, it's damn near like no cap, probably 10 degrees outside, you know what I'm saying? Super damn cold, like snowballs cold. Like, I gotta get a whole nother hat. I had just bought this little stupid hat from the gas station, you know what I'm saying? But no, I need the whole little face mask lick that cover the nose, mouth, nigga, eyes only, goddammit, because winter has hit, goddammit, it's here. You feel me? And it was just, so this morning, you can tell y'all how it was, bro. I damn near literally froze my fingers off. I was gonna try and vlog it, but I got so irritated, you know what I mean, that I couldn't even set myself up to even pick the camera up or nothing like that, man. So that shit was over with. My hands was frozen. But man, these E85 starts, I forgot about these E85 starts and how hellacious it is in the cold and everything like that. Man, Double Cup did not want to start. She did not want to start. I mean, good thing, you feel me, I got team, you know, gang on deck, you feel me, Satera gang on deck, you know what I'm saying, hit them up, asked them, you know what I'm saying, what was the solution to that, told me, you know, what I had to do, so, you know, I would've got the starter fluid, smacked it up in the little thing, they told me to, and then, hey, we off and rolling now, man, so, you know, about to go ahead and try this thing to work, man. I ain't been in Double Cup in so damn long, it was, you know, it was just, man, you feel me, I want to try this thing, you feel me, you know what I'm saying, so, I'm about to head out to work right now, and then, man, I'm gonna have Mac Glass packet, I guess, too. You know, that's the benefit of being up there, too, you feel me? Get that young wax on, Mr. Miyagi style while I'm on the clock, you know what I mean? Hey, man, so, Double Cup gonna be back in this globe by today, man, so I cut this demonstration back on once I get over there to the shop. I'll probably give y'all a little shop tour, too, see what's going on up there, because I ain't put the shop on my channel in a little minute, too, so, you know, we'll get it like that, man. Y'all already know, man. But I'm about to cut the music on. I got the heated steering wheel on, and I really don't want to get, oh my God, it feels so good. Look how I'm even holding the wheel, y'all. I think it's the hottest point, like right here. Like right here and right here be the hottest point on these things. Yeah, hell yeah, this shit warm. So I'm about to let go of the camera, and I'm about to hold the steering wheel, get my fingers back moving and grooving and everything like that, because your boy is extra frozen. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned to what I got to bring to y'all, man. So y'all already know, gang shit.
2 hours later.
Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Wet, wet. Yeah, I don't even care that it's snowing, you know what I'm saying? I just needed this thing glowing. She back, y'all. She back. I ain't gonna even cap to y'all. She back. Look how clean she looking. Damn. Looking super wet, man. Y'all know, man. Matt always get your boy together. Got this thing in glass mode, man. Oh, wee. Yes, sir. This thing is nasty, 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 man. Matt, you be doing your thug thizzle on these things, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Dude, glass mode, man. Let them know where to find you at, man.
Satera Auto Detailing. I got Facebook, Instagram, everything like that. If you're in touch with Satera Tuning, we're connected with them too. So he makes them fast, I make them clean.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Y'all know it. Y'all see it right here. Both of them done did that. Yes, sir. Woo! Glass mode, man. Yeah, but as y'all see, it's snow on here. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna bop my camera back in the car. That's where I'm gonna leave that at. But yeah, it's snowing, and yeah, I ain't feeling the snow, so get my ass back in the heat and get with y'all in a minute.
Later that same evening.
Gang, 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 we moving and grooving. Woo! Man, I need to get y'all a POV. If y'all want a POV, I'm gonna smack the GoPro head mount on and we gonna go on a cruise, man. Y'all gotta drop in the comment section with POV. Y'all comment down below and say POV on me. I'm gonna give y'all that POV, man. Me acting straight bad because it's so hard for me to drive and twist this demonstration how fully I be getting in this thing, man. It be overly hard, but I mean, who don't like the view of this thing, man? You feel me? Who don't like the view of this thing, man? Damn, boy, with the red glow, red SIT glow type life, you feel me? Yes, sir. You feel me? Man, I be loving this car. I ain't gonna cap. Every time I drive it, I ain't gonna sit here and lie, man. I love this demonstration, man. This thing is overly nasty. Got us an SS over there, looking like he trying to hawk me down or something. Boy, you lucky I ain't going straight. That would have been your ass, Mr. Postman. And he trying to act bad. He finna swing around. He's acting like he's finna swing around. Hold on, y'all. Gotta get this call, gang. Man, like I was saying, I'm not gonna sit here and lie. The POV in this demonstration is overly nasty. And if y'all want me to go ahead and do that type of video, man, I will literally set up the cameras and go ahead and bop downtown and act bad one time for the one time. Y'all gotta let me know. Y'all want a POV daytime? Y'all want a POV nighttime? Or do y'all want to get greedy with it and y'all want POV day and night? Y'all let me know. Whatever the Koolie gang want, that's what I'm gonna give y'all. Hold on, let me give y'all a little stab. Hold on, let's stab this thing. Hopefully 12 ain't around. Woo! Shit! Boy, y'all see how them RPMs just be, yeah! You know what I'm saying? Straight gorilla mode, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Let's see, huh? Smack it one more time for y'all. Smack it one more time for the gang. Uh-oh, in a second. It's gonna fool. It's gonna get fooly. Woo! Got a pedal play with that motherfucker. You feel me? Got a pedal play with that demonstration. All right, let's cut it out, Koolie. Let's cut it out. Let's cut it out. You know what I'm saying? I could do that shit all day, every day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I could do that all day, every day. It's just, damn, it's dark as hell in here. Let's bleed. Now y'all can see me. You feel me? Man, I could do that all day, though. I ain't gonna sit here and lie, man. This car, it's a whole nother vibe, man. Especially the power it make, the way it's sauced down and everything like that. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. Stay tuned for the new feats. Did I say it? Yeah. If y'all watch the whole video to the end of this, man, Double Cup got them new feats in, man. So it's time to go ahead and slide down there and get this thing mounted up. It's about to look overly nasty. Ice skating in the snow. Acting bad. Man, let me stop, man. I'm about to cut my tunes back on and vibe, man. Like I say, if this y'all first time checking out my videos, man, make sure you like, share, subscribe, because it's all litty type of content, black eye content. I don't know how we gonna do that in the snow, but we gonna figure it out, man. If I gotta go buy a snowmobile and get it cracking, that's how we moving and grooving, man. Gang, gang, gang.
That just made my day. I just made my day. I just made my day. Oh.